What's up everyone, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to reset on Oppo A5 2025. Right here I got a white color right here that is so beautiful, and this is a brand new one from Oppo company, and it got RAM 6GB and the memory is 128GB. Alright, so let's go to see how to do this. Right here is called Oppo A5 2025. As you can see, the phone is locked with the passcode. Okay, that is the reason why we have to reset the phone, because we forgot the passcode. Okay, firstly you have to turn off the phone, okay, by holding the volume up and the power to turn off the phone. Together. Okay, up and power at the same time, and then slide down to turn off the phone, and wait for the process of the powering off completely. Okay, and the vibration sign is means that the phone is already powering off completely. Okay, and after that you have to hold the volume down and the power together at the same time. Okay, just hold it down and the power. Okay, down and power, just hold it, and then release the power and keep holding the volume down until you can see the three languages. Just keep holding it. Okay, all right. Right here there are three languages, and we are going to choose the last one. Okay, just press the volume down to select the English language and the power to confirm. Okay, right here is code recovery that we can hard reset right now. So what we are going to do next is to format the data. So we have to choose the first one and just press the power to confirm. Okay, and then we have to type the passcode in the phone, and your passcode in your phone might be different between your phone and my phone. Okay, so I just type 77 and 94 because the code in my phone is 77 and 94 right here, you see. Okay, 77 and 94, but your phone might be different. All right, after that you have to select on the format, and the process is working on formatting the data, and it is erasing all the passcode and all the data from the phone. Okay, and then just select on OK, and the phone will automatically reboot to the menu, and it may take about 5 minutes for rebooting. So that's it for how to hard reset on Oppo A5 2025. And everybody, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for the future video. And I'm gonna make another video of Oppo A525 on how to erase F4P with Unlock 2. Okay, goodbye. Thank you for watching.